guys, Rick David at Cowtown USA here in Cuba, Missouri. I believe what we're looking at here is a 2013 Exiss 8 wide stock combo with a mid-tack with a side door and a side ramp. It's got your hydraulic jack. Let's look here. Got 14-ply Goodyear Radial tires on it. It does have your camper steps. Does have your pass-through door into the horse compartment or stock compartment, and also into the living quarters. Got your saddle racks over there that are removable, and you can see the side ramp over here. Got your horse ties inside and out. Now this is going to be a stock, but you could easily, guys, put your ATVs, UTVs, use this even as a toy hauler. Got a load light here on the back. Okay. Now, this is probably a 14-foot back end. Is what it looks like. Now, what they've done, and you're going to see these two paddles over here. This is your locking mechanism. So this gate can be set. Looks like with up here in the front, 1, 2, 3, probably a 3-foot room here. Or you can back it back here and get another foot and a half here. It's tall, it's wide. Let's say it's 7'6" tall is what it appears to me to be. Aluminum floor, aluminum frame, rubber mats. Got the gate, or the wind blowing gate has got the escape door on the side. Again, you can pass through here right into your mid-tack. I'll just take you right into the living quarters. First thing you're going to see is a soft touch door with a deadbolt. Frosted glass in your shower. Nice vanity. There's your stool. Floor looks really nice. Okay, there's your kitchen table and your hanging closet. Okay, now this has got what's called a panel door. Okay, so you can slide this. There is no stepping back to get out of the way. Your door runs crossways here. You're going to notice it's got the big 6-0 fridge, gas or electric. It's got your couch that makes into a bed. Okay. Got your soft valance here. All your storage here. Storage there. Storage all around top of the bed. Storage here. Stainless steel sink. Recessed cooktop. More storage. Interior is done by a company called Sierra, which is well thought of. It's got your dual steps here. Give you a shot up here. Okay, it's got a place that's set up here and wired for TV. Kind of spinning around here. Okay. Even got a wild looking picture here. Ha! Depending on what color horse you want, just move it. Ha! That's pretty cool. Anyway, this is Rick at Cowtown USA in Cuba, Missouri. Let me look, see if we can show you anything anymore. Got your camper door screen. Just walk you back out. Got your awning here on the side. Again, your mid-tack, ramp, side door, 14-ply Goodyear radials, a rear ramp. Let's go ahead and close this. Simple enough, stop the rattle. The outside of the trailer is nice. See all down the sides. You also got the pictures. I mentioned having a full escape door in the stock compartment. Here's your lockers. Once you switch your gates, come right through here and change either way you want to do this. Pass through door. I mean, it is a nice trailer. Give us a call, 573-885-6300 at Cowtown USA. You can ask for Jack, you can ask for Sean. If they're busy, you can ask for me. I'm Rick. 573-885-6300, 573-885-6300. Thank you.